guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for finding me again. Today we're going to be doing our first ever unboxing, and as you can see I blacked out my address so none of you can find me. So this is going to be from Laura Lee, Los Angeles, and I'm super excited to open it up and see what's inside. I've already cut into it, but I haven't opened the lid, so let's do that. Now what I did order is I ordered the new Nudie Patootie palette and one of the liquid lips. I would have ordered all three had they come together with the palette, but it was about the same price, sadly, to order one with the palette as it was to buy the sold out with all three, because there was a sold out package deal, I suppose. Ooh, it's got our logo. But there's a sold out package deal when I went to order it that came with all three lippies and the palette. And I would have gotten that, but I didn't want to spend the extra money to get it separate, if that makes any sense. So let's dive right in. Lots of bubble wrap for something so little. Ooh, the packaging's pretty. So it comes in this pretty like neutral pink packaging. Let's open this. Actually, I'm going to wait on opening this until I've gotten everything out. Then it has this card with Laura on it, and it has descriptions of all the shades on the back. And then here it comes. Alrighty, so here's like a little burrito with the palette inside of it. I'm going to put the box on the floor so I have a little bit more space. Comes with a massive sticker and lots of ASMR vibes with the tissue paper, if you're into that. I'm going to open this up. It's the moment of truth. And here she is. Here's the carton. So it's in the sleek pink packaging. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Alrighty, so here she is. The Nudie Patootie is all raised on here, and it's so shiny. Okay, let's open her up. I'm gonna take out the little protective sheet here. Ooh, is she pretty. I'll be doing some swatches for you. The first time I've actually done swatches of a palette. And it does have the little cruelty-free cruelty-free bunny on the back, along with her YouTube channel and Instagram and expiration date. So all that information you can find on the back of the palette. Alrighty, let's get into some swatches. Alrighty, first things first, we're going to swatch Topless, which is one of her liquid lips. So I'm going to take this and swatch it on the back of my hand. Ooh, she is tricky to open. So I'm going to take this and just swatch it. And that is a lovely nude there. It's a nude pink. I've heard that these are tricky to close, but no, I don't think so. Ugh. So there she is. Trying to hold it so you can see it. Now I'm going to go ahead. Wait a second. It smells really good. It smells fruity. Now I'm going to go ahead into the palette. And I'm going to swatch all of these colors. So first we're going to go into Stark. And then Undressed. And then Topless. And then Streaking. And then Uncover. And these are really nice and buttery, actually. I'm surprised. I was expecting them to be sort of gritty for some reason. And Strip. And Bare. So these are all the shades right here. I hope you can see them well. And then we're going to take them down my other arm. Now for this side, we've got Exposed, Au Naturel, Reveal, Jaybird, Butt Naked, Buff, and Nakey Nakey. And now to test the palette, the Nudie Patootie palette from Laura Lee. I ended up losing the footage from the first time that I filmed this of testing out the palette on my eye. So when I'm showing you this, it won't be a first impressions. It will just be me reviewing it. So that's why I'm wearing a different shirt, if that makes any sense. But let's dive right in. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Shadow Insurance from Too Faced. And I know she advised you to prime your eyelids with a glitter glue, especially for 2 of the shades in here. But I'm just going to see how it works with a regular primer. And I'm not going to do the rest of my face right now because I'm planning on doing that in a different video with all Walmart products. So we're going to see how that works out. Now, not Walmart products, but products that you can buy at Walmart. Now to get into the palette, I'm going to take a blending brush, which is an e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm going to put that into streaking just to break up the primer a bit. So I'm going to put that in my crease. Now with the same brush, I'm going to move into Reveal, which is about the same shade but a little bit darker. I'm going to put that lower in the crease. And then next, I'm going to take Nakey Nakey and put that in my outer corner really lightly. Now I'm going to barely hit the pan with this, because if I remember from the first time I filmed it, you barely need any. Oh yeah. And like I said, I'm barely touching the crease in the outer corner. Alrighty, and then next I'm going to take a new brush here. Let's see what I want to do. I'll take an e.l.f. eye brush. It just says eye brush on it. And I'm going to take Bear, which is this lovely pink shade at the end of the palette, and I'm going to put that on my lids. Now these shadows are blending really nicely. Like, I'm getting a nice ombre effect here, especially with the dark color in the outer corner. Sometimes that doesn't show up well or it doesn't blend well, but I'm really surprised and I'm really happy with it. And then next I'm going to take Topless, which is the third shade in the palette, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corners. I know it's a little untraditional to do pink there, but we'll see. And then I'm going to take my Morphe Fluffy blending brush and just go ham with that. Alrighty, and then for the actual lid itself, I'm going to take a Morphe brush. I don't know which one, like I said before, it comes in a set, and they don't label them, I don't think, when they come in sets. But I am going to spray it with some setting spray, just to get it wet, because I know that's another tip that she told us. And then I'm going to be taking Au Naturel and blending that, or patting that onto my lid. And I'm getting both sides of my brush covered in it. And then I'm going to take a liner brush here and run Buff, which is the second from the last shade, and I'm going to run that on the edge of my top lashes and along my lower lashes. Alrighty, and this is it. This is the final look for the eyes. I'm just going to add a little bit of topless here to my lips. And all together, this is the final look, except for the rest of my face. Just imagine that's all done, because I don't feel like doing that right now, because this is the second time filming it, but this is it. I'll close my eyes so that you can get a better look. So I went with the gold shade on the lids instead of the pink shade like I've seen everybody else doing. So I want to do something just a little bit different and show that color a little bit of love. And the lipstick is really like, it's lightweight, like I barely feel like it's there. So that's great. And then I can smell, like you can smell it slightly when it's on your lips, but I'm sure that'll go away with time because I was wearing it yesterday and it did. So that was good. Thank you for coming back to my channel and watching this video. Be sure to leave a comment down below as to whether you purchased this palette or whether you plan to or what you think of it. And please leave a like and a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye!